Hello and welcome everyone to this week's COT review. I'm Thomas from COTbase.com. Today we're going to have a look at the 27th COT report in 2015, and as usual we're going to start off with the changes in commercials positions. So here we go. As you may see, we've got the heating oil on top of our list with a 28% change in commercials positions. You can see the change size over here. And if you look at the chart, it is the largest change, I believe, in the past 52 weeks that we can see. Large speculators have gone below the zero line again, so they were in net long territories for a few weeks, but back to net short territories again. And it's mainly the small speculators who are taking the bullish side of the market. Opening a 5 years chart, here you go, we can see the extreme. We've been moving away from bullish extreme levels. You may see we had a bit of a rise in prices, but then pretty decent fallback in prices, although we haven't reached any significant bearish extreme levels, as you may see on the chart. There's some space left to get to those levels. Small speculators, on the other hand, are becoming very pessimistic about the market, and may eventually go down to short territories in a few weeks' time. So I think it's a market that you should be watching in the next few weeks. Corn, our next market, with a 26% change in commercials position. Bearish COT change signal, no surprise after this sudden rally, as you may see. Of course, that rally shouldn't have been a surprise to us. If you were following the report, we had a larger extreme in the market, bullish COT extreme. Not an all-time, just getting closer and closer to it. So basically we are expecting this rally to continue. Judging by the COT report, there's a lot of space left to reach bearish extreme levels. Soybean oil, our next market, with 22% change in commercials positions. If you look at the chart, it is larger than average, but nothing unusual. Maybe small speculators change was a bit larger, or actually much larger than average. Of course, this is a bullish COT change signal. Jumping to the 5 years chart, we can see that we aren't really able to talk about a significant extreme at the moment, but we are moving away from bearish extreme levels, and it's not that visible, but we do see a bit of a decline since that extreme has happened. Moving on to large speculators COT extreme, we've still got the New Zealand dollar on top of our list with all-time COT extreme in commercials positions and large speculators. But as you may see, Mexican peso has joined the first place, and also all-time COT extreme over there. But let's start with the New Zealand dollar. Here we go. We've got the chart here. You may see this very deep rally that has begun, and it's continuing as the extreme is widening. I think it's pretty obvious that the report is not going to be able to help you in pinpointing the exact location of the bottom, but nevertheless, I think it's pretty obvious that we are expecting this bottom to come up soon, which of course may mean a few more weeks. I don't know. But anyhow, it's there. The all-time COT extreme is there, and if you look at the chart, and even on this 5 years chart, you can see how well these extremes managed to help us in catching these bottoms and tops. Of course, the other way around as well. So the Mexican peso, here we go. We have all-time COT extreme there as well. Here's the chart. And similarly to the New Zealand dollar, we have a decline in prices and a widening extreme. So I think it's pretty obvious that we are expecting the decline to end. Again, I can only repeat myself. We don't know exactly when it's going to happen, but it will eventually, and I think this extreme is signaling that. So we should be patient and wait for it. Palladium, our next market, 149 report extreme, not only in large speculators but also in commercials. This is a large extreme, but if you look at the chart, we have had much greater extremes in the past. Well, not much greater, actually, sorry to say. we're not that far away from these extreme levels. And as you can see, when we've reached these bullish COT extreme levels, that sort of ended the decline that we had here back in 2011 and 12. And since then on, we had a bit of a rise in prices. So maybe not now, but in the near future, we are going to see a end to this decline and eventually see much higher prices coming. Okay, that is going to be all for this review. If you'd like to have a look at other COT charts, then we've got the COT charts page here. If you'd like to have a more deeper COT analysis than what I just gave you, of course, this is the page you should be looking at. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope to see you next week. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.